what's up? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this illustrious studio, the Jaren M. Laguerre Studio. This song, we sang this song at an 8th grade graduation in 2002. That's when we sang this song. Yeah, we sang it with a track. And my parents have it on video somewhere. I have to dig in the archives. It's on VHS. That's how long ago that was, on the VHS camcorder. It ain't on the phone. It's on the camcorder. But I remember singing this song. And so this song brings back so many like wonderful memories of middle school and stuff. And the fact that we were singing CECE WINANS Whitney Houston at graduation. But hey, the school let us do it, so we did. They wanted us to sing, so we sung that song. So let's talk about it today. Here is an analysis of CECE WINANS and Whitney Houston singing Count on Me. Be strong. You see, she's kind of doing a little bit of vocal embellishments throughout this entire chorus right here. It's not a lot, but she's just adding a tiny bit of extra layers musically and vocally to this chorus right here. Helping you to carry on. Yeah, some more vocal stuff right there, yeah. Call me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believe. Say, count on. I can see it's hurting you. I can feel your pain. It's hard to see the sunshine through the rain. Oh. You can hear a lot of breathiness. I can see it's hurting you. I can feel your pain. It's hard to see the breathiness, the sunshine through the rain. Oh, you can hear a lot of that breathiness, a lot of that sigh sound or that airy sound when she's singing here. It's just a lot more breathiness than I do. It's really, really, really light here for her. I know sometimes it seems as if it's never gonna end. I know sometimes it seems as if it's... So she switched from that head voice thin full quality to more of that thicker chesty quality. Da 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 da. But it was still breathy. Da 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 da. It was all still breathy, just kind of a chesty breathy versus like a thin fold heady breathy. But you'll get through it. Just don't give in, 'cause you can. She kind of picked up vocally there, kind of got more thicker, louder, got more amped up in volume there. And then the don't had a vocal throw. So don't give in, 'cause you can. So she kind of had a vocal throw coming down off of that don't give in because you can right there. But it was still thicker in chest voice. When you are weak, I will be strong. So she did thick, 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 chest, 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 head, head. So you see what I'm saying right there? She really went from that thicker, more brassy sound to that higher, breathy, airy, heady sound. Thick, 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 thick. Right there. Don't be afraid. Please believe me when I say. Count on me. You can count on me. That breathy with the throw. You can count on me. And that count, the of count had a little breathy aspirate moment too. You can count. You can count on me. You see what I'm saying? You can count. Right there.
Now CeCe rolling in with her little part right here, but she almost rolled in with like a whiny ooh, 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 instead of ooh, ooh. It's almost like her lips probably were kind of puckered and kind of pressed a little bit.
But we'll get through it, 'cause love won't let us fall.
And then CeCe's really kind of ramping up in this bridge right here, this verse right here, and she kind of kept it full. 'Cause love won't let us fall. She kind of brought that churchy element into the song, and she kind of pressed into the sound too. Love won't let us fall.
I'll be there, friendship that will never end. You always, I'm the strong,
I'll be strong. Had a little nasality to it. I'll be strong. Right there. You hear that right there? I'll buy you. That little you right there had like a spokesman throw. You. Helping you. Carry on, yeah. Carry on, yeah. Right there, kind of the larynx dropped a little bit. And I'm exaggerating. It's not that intense, but I'm trying to show you how she kind of changed her shape, her laryngeal shape, to make these different sounds happen.
Don't be afraid. Believe me when I say, come on. There's a place inside of all of us where our faith and love begins. You should reach to find the truth and love. The answer's there within.
When Whitney said the answers there within, that the had a pucker. The instead of the answer there within. And she really kind of kept that punchy, brassy, forward, thick fold sound. Answer there within. Throughout the rest of that line right there, kind of kept that brassy punch in that line right there.
That line can make you feel.
Did you hear make it feel? There was a tiny bit of grit right there. Make it feel. It was a tiny bit of grit right there. Tiny bit of compression.
It's much harder than it really is, but we'll get through. We'll get through it. Just don't give in. Count on me.
Give it all. It was almost like a quick stop between in and the O. Give it all.
It'll never end. I'll be strong. Call on me. I will be there. I'll be there. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid now.
I love watching them sing together. You can tell they were such good friends. The Winans loved Whitney, and Whitney loved the Winans. And to me, I'm gonna say this. To me, CeCe and Whitney have a very similar sound. They have a very similar sound in the velocity and speed of their vibrato, in how they shape their vowels. Even their vocal ranges, especially in this era, were very similar. You know, they did a lot of the same or similar tricks. So to me, them singing together, it just fit like a glove. You know, and of course, being friends and singing together for so many years, it just makes it all the more fun and all the more musical because they have sung together for so long. Way before this song, they've been friends and singing together. You know, so it's just cool to see them sing together. I just love this combination.
Please believe me when I say, count on, count on, count on, count on, count on, count on,
Count on. So they really sung through the count on. Every time they really sung to the end. The end is a voice consonant, so you can sing through the end consonant. You see? I'm singing through the end. And then the last back and forth. Count on. It was like a little skip right there that Whitney did.
I wish you can.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all. Love you. I'll see y'all soon.